Welcome to Johnny's Daily News segment, your daily source for the latest development and trends in dynamic world of steel production. And my name is Harrison from Sales Department of Johnny Metal. The market price of stainless steel in Foshan, China began to strengthen this week. In terms of AISI 304, the future price had increases, and Tsingshan raised its base rate in March. The current price had increased significantly compared with the price before the Lunar New Year. At present, local distributors have placed offers twice, and future orders at some coil centers have recovered. As for AISE 3201, driven by the atmosphere price up, the spot price role in trading volume improved slightly. In addition, regarding AISV 430, coil centers are not very willing to increase price, and spot price remains stable. The London Metal Exchange nickel price increased by $141 per ton and closed at $17,601 per ton on February 2008. Meanwhile, the nickel spot price went up by $140 per ton to $17,366 per ton. At the same time, the nickel inventory at LME decreased by 456 tons to 69,330 tons. The US dollar gradually becomes stronger, and Indonesia improved 145 million tons of nickel ore, meaning quota, which account for 25% of current Indonesian nickel ore demand, while the overall approval process was still slow. Besides, the LME nickel inventory kept dramatically decreasing, which further drove nickel price. The nickel market was expected to fluctuate on the high side. Chinese nickel pig iron price have risen by around 8 to 10% since December 2023, and Indonesia, they have also risen by around 3%. Chinese stainless steel prices rose by around 70% in the period from mid-December to the end of February. In addition, higher stainless steel prices are expected from Taiwan in March 2024 in response to the rise in nickel. EU stainless steel producers have also raised alloy surcharge from March 2024 by more than 3.5% in some cases. Tsingshan Iron Works Co. Ltd., one of Taiwanese stainless steel manufacturers, announced today, February 29, that it will maintain an individual negotiation method with its customer for its offers in March, referring to market conditions. The downstream means that Tsingshan has taken a negotiating way with customers for its stainless steel price for several months since May last year, predicting that it will continue the way until stainless steel market recovers. Besides, United Steel Corporation, JUSCO, another major stainless steel maker in Taiwan, has also adopted the individual negotiation way for 3 consecutive months. Foshan, a stainless steel wire rod and cable manufacturer in Taiwan, announced an increase in prices of certain stainless steel wire rod for March. Among them, the price of the 300 series products was up by 3 new Taiwan per kilogram, and thus of the 200 and 400 series was kept unchanged. The surcharge of 316 and copper content products was raised by 1 kilogram new Taiwan. Foshan stated that the price adjustment was appropriately reflect costs and consider customer competitiveness. The recent LME Nickel has rebounded rapidly, and China's infrastructure projects have pushed up the price of molybdenum, copper, and other alloys. Customers have started to replenish their inventory, which was expected to put the end of market demand. Copper price resumed their downward path Wednesday, weighed down by a stronger dollar and more bad news from China property sector, a major user of industrial metals. 3 months copper on the London Metal Exchange was down 0.4% at 8,439 a metric ton by 1,035 GMT. LME copper had edged higher on Tuesday after 2 days of losses. Chinese developer Country Garden on Wednesday said that liquidation petition has been filed against it, undermining Beijing's efforts to restore confidence in the property sector that announced for the quarter of China's GDP. And thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the bell to receive the latest video. Thank you.